Excuse me, ma'am, I am Ara Solanki.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Excuse
morning,
me,
all
ma'am.
of you. Yes, beta, Araf Solanki, you want to say something?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Riddhi. Still in sleep, huh? Still feeling sleepy?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Let everybody join. Till then, I'll just mark your attendance, all of you. Who is this student without name and such a long name is there? What is this 1KK9V? Let me know your name, beta. What's your name? Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning. Ma'am, fine. What about you? I'm fine. Fine. Good morning,
That's very good. Even I'm very good. I'm fine.
ma'am. Today is my birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everybody wish him a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rishabh. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Rishabh.
Happy birthday, Rishabh.
Happy birthday, Rishabh from Arav. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Rishabh. Thank you.
Are you all ready with your GK books?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, open up page number 31 of your book. Do you know the syllabus for your UT2?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the syllabus? Tell me.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. The unit
The syllabus of UT of GK is India and nature.
Very nice. Complete unit of India and complete unit of nature. So let's just start revising.
and which page number?
Beta, page number 31 of your book.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody open.
Ma'am, we have done already.
Yes, we have done already, I know, but we are just going to revise it today.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have opened.
You have? What do you have?
Ma'am, opened. Ma'am, opened.
Okay, everybody has opened?
I am page number 31. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, page number.
page number 31. Now,
Good
Rishabh,
morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta. Now, Rishabh Kumar is going to read the first one. Read the first sentence. What is it?
Dash is held in honor of the Hindu goddess of
Knowledge.
no day.
Knowledge.
Saraswati Puja.
Okay. Dash is held in honor of the Hindu goddess of knowledge. What is held? Which puja is held?
Saraswati Puja.
Yes.
Saraswati Puja. Saraswati Puja.
It is very good. It's Saraswati Puja.
Puja.
Those who have not written it, please write it.
Excuse me, ma'am, I am Arab Solanki.
Yes, beta Araf Solanki, say.
Ma'am, my page number 31 is already done.
Beta, everybody's page number 31 is already done. We are just doing the revision for your UT2. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now, Araf Solanki will read the second sentence. The name dash, read it like this. Wherever it's given dash, read it like a dash.
The name dash translates into a great night of a Lord Shiva.
Yes. Now tell the answer.
Mahashivratri.
Very good.
Mahashivratri.
The name Mahashivratri translates into the great night of Lord Shiva. Everybody has written this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, which page?
Beta, we are doing page number 31.
Answer number first.
Beta, first is Saraswati Puja. The answer to the first one is Saraswati Puja. Okay? Now, Palvini Ahuja, we read the third one. Palvini Ahuja.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the third sentence, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, read the third sentence. Read out the third sentence on page number 31. Have you not opened your book?
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 31. Okay, who will read the third sentence? All right, Atharv Gupta. Atharv Gupta will read. Everybody put your videos on.
Muhammad's birthday.
Dash marks Prophet Muhammad's birthday. What is the answer?
Eid Milad Nabi.
Yes. Eid Milad an-Nabi marks Prophet Muhammad's birthday. Everybody has written this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Children, everybody put your videos on. Let me see your faces. So many of you I can't see today. Are you still sleepy, children, that you're not putting your videos on? Tell me.
my morning video.
Yes,
Please wait a
awning.
minute.
I'm putting the video on.
Okay, ma'am.
Arkan Noor, Alakh Pratap Singh, Utsav Yadav, Yuvraj Gupta, Ansh Patel, Ashutosh, Abhineet, Akhya Goyal, Kanav, Anmol Singh, Manya, Arpit. What about you, children? Why are your videos off? Yes, good.
My video is on.
Yes, very nice, very good.
Shraddha.
Now Yatharth Singh will read the next sentence.
Guru Purav is celebrated on the birth anniversary of dash.
Tell. What is the answer?
Guru Nanak. Ma'am, Guru Nanak Dev.
Guru Nanak Dev.
Guru Nanak Dev. Everybody write.
Guru Nanak Dev.
Those who have
Guru
not,
Nanak Dev.
those who have not written, please write it.
Ma'am, which page number?
Ma'am, second
Beta, we are doing page number 31.
Ma'am, second I can read.
Yes, read.
Guru Nanak
मम्मी वहां से
Fifth. Christmas marks the birth of Jesus Christ.
Christmas marks the birth of Jesus Christ at, what is the answer?
Bethlehem.
Yes,
Bethlehem. Bethlehem.
Bethlehem. Bethlehem.
Bethlehem.
Good. Then next one. What is the next one? Who will read the next one? Pratyaksh will read. Pratyaksh.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of fifth one?
Okay. The spelling of wait, Pratyaksh, wait. The spelling of the fifth one is, I will type in the chat box, beta.
Ma'am, what is answer 4?
Children, I have typed the spellings in the chat box.
Ma'am, what is answer of 4?
Answer of fourth is Guru Nanak Dev.
Ma'am, what is answer 3rd? Ma'am, the 3rd.
Wait, I will tell you.
Ma'am, but we have already done this. Ma'am, but we have already done this.
Now, children, see, I have sent you the answer of fourth, the answer of third in the chat box. And now, children, those who have not done, I have written the answers of third and fourth in the chat box. And those children who are saying, ma'am, we have already done this unit, beta, we are doing the revision today. I can still see children who have not done and they are asking for the answer. Okay, so we are doing the revision because we are heading towards our UT2. Now, who is going to read the sixth one? Shaurya Tyagi. Shaurya Tyagi will read the sixth one.
Ma'am, you have the idols of Lord Jagannath, Subhadra, and Balbhadra are taken out in a procession during dash in Puri.
Rath Yatra.
Very good. The answer is
Rath Yatra.
Rath Yatra. I will send you the answer in the chat box. Those who have not written, please write it. Yes.
Ma'am, I am send down all answers in the chat box.
Very good. Very nice. Yes, beta, what are you saying?
in last period.
I can't understand. Rishabh,
Last period.
better type in the chat box. I can't understand you. What are you saying? I can't understand. Please type in the chat box.
Dol Jatra, West Bengal.
Then Jaskaran Singh will read the last one.
Dash is known as Dol Jatra in West Bengal. Holi.
Holi. Okay. Holi is known as Dol Jatra in West Bengal.
Holi.
Now, everybody has done this. Page number 31, everyone has completed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next page. Delicious food. So what is the first one? Muhammad Al-Faiz will read the first one.
Ma'am, can I read?
Muhammad Al-Faiz, page number 32. Read out the first sentence, beta. Muhammad, unmute yourself, Muhammad Al-Faiz, and read the first one. Muhammad is not reading. I don't know why. Let's have Kanishka Yadav. Yes, Kanishka Yadav.
I saw India cooking. It is a pancake made from rice flour and ground pulses.
Yes.
Dosa.
What is it? It is dosa. Yes.
Dosa.
It's dosa. Very good. Very nice.
Second, I can read.
Alak Pratap Singh will read the second one. Alak, unmute yourself and read the second one. Beta, who is this student with the name of 1KK9V? Who is he? What's your name? Beta? Ayman Ahmad.
Ma'am, his name is Ayman Ahmad.
All right. Okay.
Third one.
Yes, beta. No, read the second one. Who was reading the second one? Alak Pratap Singh.
Ma'am, I read.
Alak, please read it once again.
This city is famous for its
Avdhi biryani.
Lucknow.
Lucknow. Have you eaten the Avdhi biryani?
Lucknow. No, ma'am.
Even I haven't.
Ma'am, I have eaten. Ma'am, I have also eaten.
So how is it?
Arhan. No,
Is it good? Is it tasty?
yes, ma'am. Very tasty.
Very tasty. Okay, very nice. Now, who is reading the next one? Unsha. Unsha will read the next one.
Mumbai is famous for the food item.
Yes.
Vada pav.
Very nice.
Vada pav. Vada pav.
Mumbai is famous for vada pav. How many of you have eaten vada pav? Anybody have eaten? Is it tasty? Yes. Very nice. Now Manas Garg will read the second one. Sorry, the next one. Manas Garg, read the next one.
This is famous for Kashmiri
Rogan Josh.
How many of you have eaten Rogan Josh?
Rogan Josh.
Only the non-veggies must have eaten Rogan Josh. Okay, Naisha Roy will read the next one.
It is a traditional Punjabi dish made of mustard leaves and spices.
Yes. Who has not eaten sarson ka saag? Not eaten. Everybody has eaten, right? Naisha Roy, you have not eaten sarson ka saag?
Yes,
Never in life.
not eaten sarson ka saag.
Oh, you must try it.
Ma'am, I also not eaten.
Jaskaran
Ma'am, it is very
has not
yummy.
eaten. Jaskaran,
Yes, ma'am.
I can't believe it.
Ma'am, please tell me. I am eaten.
Very good.
Number
very good.
Ma'am, I have eaten. Makki ki roti. Answer number 4. Ma'am, I have also eaten.
Okay. Now Utkarsh will read the next one.
Ma'am, please tell me answer number 4.
Answer number 5. Sarson ka saag. See, Abhineet Singh has typed the answer Sarson ka saag. But it's K-A na. You have mistakenly written H-A. Sarson ka saag. Okay. Now, who is going to read the next one?
Ma'am, I asked you. Ma'am, Palvini Ahuja.
Okay, Mitansh Patel. Mitansh Patel will read.
If west to this
Chicken zakuti. Chicken zakuti is a famous dish of this state. Of which
Goa.
has anybody eaten it? Has anybody
Ma'am, I have eaten everything.
I have eaten everything?
Ma'am, I only eat chicken, not chicken except seafood.
Ma'am, I also have eaten in Goa and Thailand, both.
Amazing. That's great. Is it tasty? Is it good?
Yes, ma'am, so much.
So much. I have not eaten. Now I will try it. Okay. The next one. 7th one. Palvini Ahuja will read. Yes, the 7th sentence.
Ma'am, I am not feeling better.
A West Bengal. A visit to things start.
Ma'am, I am not feeling better.
A visit. Just be quiet, children. Who is not feeling good? Eman. Eman, are you not feeling good? Kanishka Yadav is not feeling good. Kanishka Yadav, beta, what do you want? Do you want to leave the class? Okay, I can't understand what she's saying. Beta, please mute yourself. Yes. Palvini, continue.
Make you went to eat the
A visit to this state would surely make you want to eat the sandesh. Which state?
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
How many of you have eaten sandesh? Has anyone eaten? Very nice.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay. Now the last one. Anmol Singh will read the last one. Anmol Singh.
Okay, ma'am. This is a famous dish of Rajasthan.
What is
Lal
it?
mas.
Lal mas.
Dal mas and dal bati churma. Lal mas.
It's lal mas. Now Arhan, you have eaten lal mas also?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of this chapter. Everybody has written all the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes.
I have
Okay.
written
Those who have
already.
written, be quiet. Is there anybody left to write? All right. So shall we move to the next page?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is lal mas?
Lal mas is mutton, beta. Have you heard of mutton? The goat meat that people eat?
Yes.
It's
Yes,
that.
ma'am, but I not eat.
Who doesn't eat?
Ma'am, I just
Okay,
crunch
okay.
internet.
All right, all right. Now, next page, children. Next page, yes. Also known as. Now here we have different places which are also known by different names. So we have already done it, right? I have already
Yes,
done it
ma'am.
with you.
Ma'am, I have done this step.
I have done.
33 also.
We have done till page number 41. Is that right? We have done
Yes,
everything. Okay, no
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
Yes. So the first one is Jaipur is called the dash. Who will tell?
Pink city.
Ma'am, blue city. Pink city.
Blue city. It is not blue city, beta. It's pink city.
And
Yes.
pink city.
Yes. Everybody write it's pink city.
Pink city.
Pink city.
Then Arishka will read the next one. Arishka. No, it's Arshika. Arshika, read the next sentence, beta.
Then somebody has write GTA 5.
Very bad, Raj Verma. Very, very bad. Then the next one. Who is reading?
Ma'am,
Tell your name. Akshata
Palvini
Tiwari.
also.
Akshata Tiwari will read the next sentence. Akshata Tiwari, read the next sentence.
Ma'am, I have done all.
Call dash.
Kerala. Beta Akshata, read once again.
Sometimes call dash.
Yes. What
God's
is it
own
called?
country. God's own country.
Very nice.
God's own country.
It is called
God's own country.
God's own country. Very good. Then Manika Gangwar will read the next one. Manika Gangwar.
What is the answer of second one?
Ma'am, I am Manasur.
Beta,
God's own country.
the answer of second one is God's own country. Kerala is sometimes known as
God own country.
God's own country.
It is so beautiful that it is called as God's own country. Now, who will read Manika Gangwar? Read the third sentence, beta.
Ma'am, I can read.
Manika, you don't want to read? Manika, beta, you don't want to read?
Third one is a blue city.
Okay. Let's have somebody who has not got any turn. Daksh Pratap, have you got your turn? Daksh Pratap will read. Okay, there are many students who have not got their turn. Daksh Pratap, read it. Who is Daksh Pratap? Where is Daksh Pratap?
Ma'am, I can read.
Okay, Daksh is not reading. Beta,
Ma'am, can I
why
read
are you
one
not
other?
reading? I can't see
Can I
you.
read
Those who have got their turns, beta, please be quiet. Let others get their turn. Okay?
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I
Kunal.
read?
Ma'am, please see.
Ma'am, can I read? Kanav.
Yes, Kanav. Kanav Mittal, you read. Kanav, read.
Jodhpur is called the
Jodhpur is called the dash. What is Jodhpur known as?
Blue City.
Jodhpur is
Orange
called
city.
the blue city. Now children see.
I can read next one.
Those who are not children, those who are not putting their videos on, I will not give you turn to speak. Why are you not putting your videos on? How will you get your turn till I will not see your face?
My video, ma'am, my has not come.
What has not come?
Ma'am, my chance.
What's your name?
Ma'am, Pratyaksh.
Okay, Pratyaksh will read the next one.
That is called Scotland of the East.
Yes, dash is Scotland. Shillong is known as the Scotland of the East.
Ma'am, my chance is not.
Those whose vid Bhavya is going to read the next one. Bhavya, read the next one.
Ma'am, I not get any chance.
Beta, so many students have not got. I am calling out each one's name. Please be a little patient. Tell me what's your name?
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Ma'am, Ansh.
And okay. After
Ma'am,
Bhav-
please.
after
Ma'am,
Bhavya,
can I
Ansh will
get-
read. Bhavya, we cannot hear you. Please be loud. Now read this. Read what you are supposed to read.
Ma'am, I'm saying that which number from which I have to read.
You have to read sentence number 5 on page number 33.
That is some referred to as the temple city.
Yes.
Madurai is
Okay.
something
Sometimes.
Ma'am, Patna.
I have read it.
No, beta, it's Madurai. It's Madurai. Dash is sometimes referred to as the temple city. It's Madurai. Yes, beta.
Madurai.
Okay. Next, Ansh. Ansh is going to read the next one. Ansh Patel.
My chance is not coming.
And my GK book has been, ma'am, I have sent it to school for correct.
Okay, beta, you have sent it to school for correction. You don't have your book. That's fine. Okay, Akhya Goyal will read the next one.
Ma'am, I have not made the call. Dash is the city of joy.
Kolkata.
Which is the city of joy? It's Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Okay, very good. Yuvraj Singh 2. Yuvraj Singh 2 will read the next one.
Dash is known as the city of lakes.
Udaipur.
Dash is known as the city of lakes. It is Udaipur. Good.
Udaipur.
Then Yatharth. Yatharth will read the next one.
Number of this
Yatharth.
yes, ma'am.
Read, beta. It's your turn. Read the last one on page number 33.
Dash is known. Dash is known as the Orange City.
Nagpur.
Nagpur. Very good. Okay. So those children who have not got their turns, please type your names in the chat box. I can see Charit Pratap. Charit Pratap is saying, ma'am, I have not got any chance. So Charit Pratap, you can read sentence number 5 on page number 33. Ehman, Panchul Mishra, Mitansh Patel, Stuti, Arsalan. Go, beta,
Ma'am,
go.
I do not get chance.
Ma'am, I have not got chance. Okay, so now, beta, you will get the chance. In the next period, I will take care. Today, we have got 2 periods, right? The last period also you have with me. So I will take care that you get the chance in the last period. Now, let me ask you questions. Let's see who will answer. But I want all of you to type the answer in the chat box. Nobody is going to speak. Anyone who speaks will be disqualified from the game. Is that fine? Yes. Jodhpur.
Keep the camera off.
No, you can keep your cameras on. Jodhpur is called the dash. Your answer should be in the chat box. Nobody will speak. Jodhpur is called the dash.
Blue City.
Blue City. Blue City.
And Jodhpur called Blue City.
Jodhpur. Blue City कौन सी सिटी भी चले इंडिया में? जोधपुर कौन सा है नंबर? ए नहीं है.
Number I have not done.
Kerala is sometimes called dash.
Ma'am, the class is over in any minute. In my laptop, it is saying less than
Yes.
1 minute.
So the next one is this. Dash is known. Kerala is known as dash.
ये है तो लिखा हुआ ओम सिटी. तुम्हें पता है ओम सिटी है कौन सी? बता.
Everybody mute yourself.
अरे मैं लिख दिया.
Very nice, very good. Kerala